What's going on, guys? Gaby Kemezi coming to you live from Costa Rica. I'm actually on a boat right now going for a little boat tour. Check out the people behind me here. The reason why I'm coming to you today, man, is I just wanted to give you this message about doing the things that you love. You know, like one of the biggest things that I really enjoy doing is travel. I've been blessed to be to so many different countries within the past couple of years, from, you know, Mexico to France, Dubai, Africa, Nigeria, my home country, to now Costa Rica, and so many more on my list to go. And that's not even everything, places that I've been to, you know. The reason why I'm able to do this is because of online business that I started, that I'm learning how to make money online, generate an income online, and that's given me the freedom to travel and be able to experience the world and see new people and try new foods and do so many different things that some people aren't fortunate enough to do. But travel is my passion, you know. The reason why I want you to go out there and do what you are inspired to do is because that's what you are called to do. That's what you were created to do. You know, each of us have our gifts. Each of us have things that really inspire us to do something, whatever that is. You know, I mean, you might not like being on planes and starting conversations with random strangers and, you know, hanging out on a boat. You know, some people get seasick on boats. Me, I'll be the first one to dive into the water and or go snorkeling, things of that nature, you know. So find the things that you love to do, man. Like, life is too short to do things just because you have to do them, right? A lot of people get sucked into working just because they gotta work for their bills or to, you know, pay things. Which, don't get me wrong, that's important. But we weren't born to work. We were born to live. Working is just a means to live, you know what I mean? So do those things, man. If it's travel, go out there and travel. If it's food, cook, you know what I mean? If it's teaching, teach. If it's motivating and inspiring, motivate and inspire. If it's building a business, build a business. But find what you're interested in. Find what you're good at. Make something that you can use to touch others, to help other people, and fulfill yourself. Because it's nothing like doing something that you love that will also fulfill you and blessing other people and making other people's lives better. You know, that's the sweet spot. If you can find something that you love to do that can also help other people, that's how you know you're winning. That's all I got for today, man. I hope you guys go out there and crush it, dream big, and go for it, man. Go for it. Whatever you're thinking about doing, go for it, because life is too short. Worst regret or feeling you can have is regret. When you look back at the end of your life and realize, what if? So don't ask about what if. Take the chance, go out there and do it. I'm about to go get dinner out here, and then we spend a couple more days out in Costa Rica. But thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with people that you think could get some value from this, some inspiration from this. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my page, where I'll be bringing you more tips and tricks on how to be a boss entrepreneur and a beast in life. Gaby Kemezi coming to you, and now I'm out. Peace, y'all.